Hello internets, or interwebs, or hi rift-tards, rift-turds, whatever you want to call yourselves. I recently heard a song by, well, I guess it wasn't recently. It's Post Malone and Swae, I don't know how to pronounce the dude's name. Great song. It's called Sunflower. It's on the Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse soundtrack. It may be other places too, I don't know. And my voice is completely screwed up because there's so much plant sperm in the air right now. And that's all it is. Pollen, it's just plant sperm slapping you in the face. So anyway, that's why I'm not really going to be singing much today. But as I can tell from my music tutorials, no one actually wants to learn how to play guitar. They just want to know how to play songs. So I'm going to give this one a shot. I've seen plenty of tutorials where they tell you to go down here and keep in mind this is an acoustic version, so it's not going to sound just like the original one, but then again I don't have a full band and suck it, I don't know. They're telling you to go down there for the D. They're telling you to make this chord for the D. It doesn't sound right to me. Other ones like official chords are saying that sounds way too bright to me, so what I've done is I've modified these chords a little bit. Now, of course, the bass note is right on all of these. That's basically the whole song in bass notes, but it sounds too bright to me, so I've actually modified the D major, G major, and the E minor. So the D major has actually went to D suspended 2 or D suspended 2nd. I'm not here to split hairs. That's D suspended 2, D sus 2. So that's the first chord. I will put it up in this nice dark area. Sorry, I'm flipping you guys off. This nice dark area here so you can actually see the diagram. But D suspended 2. The second chord is going to be a G6 suspended 2, I guess you would call it. It's a very strange chord. Don't ask me where I came up with it, but it sounds really good with the song. Then it goes basically here. And then, well, so after that G6 suspended 2, sorry, you go to an E minor 7. The original song, or the original chord that I got from it was E minor. Whichever one's easier for you to do, I'll put both versions on the screen. It's super easy. Or sounds exactly the same. It doesn't matter which one you want to do, but and then you just go back to that G6 suspended 2. And it really only matters what the chorus sounds like anyway. My voice is so screwed up. Again, plant sperm. And my fingers are toast right now. I haven't played in a long time. I still know how to play. It's just, it hurts. But basically, in an acoustic version, I heard an acoustic version. What's this dude's name? Adam Christopher. So you should totally go check out his version of this song. He does a very good job on it, and I'm kind of getting the strum pattern from him, because it sounds good acoustically, but basically it sounds really good. Anyway, you get the idea. Sounds really good. You know, like, share, and subscribe if this helped you, or if you like this version better than the original chords you're finding online, which I think it sounds a whole lot better. And again, play it yourself, compare it to the normal version of the song. But yeah, you know, like, share, and subscribe. Click on some links for other stuff, and hopefully I'll get my voice back, and maybe I'll start putting up some actual tutorials where I play and sing. But that's really my first tutorial on how to play a song. So yeah, enjoy, Riff Tards. Bye.